fighting polio is already an incredibly challenging dilemma here in Pakistan. Even so, these aid groups, including many courageous volunteers, continue to work. However, these killings are certainly going to be viewed as a setback. A two-day killing spree in Pakistan targeting aid workers has forced the government and aid organizations to put a hold on Pakistan's already troubled polio vaccination campaign. The killing started on Tuesday. Gunmen shot to death 5 female aid workers within several hours. 4 in various neighborhoods in the southern port city of Karachi. The 5th, a 14-year-old volunteer in the northwestern city of Peshawar. The mother of one of the victims, inconsolable.
I don't understand what to do. My mind isn't working.
On Wednesday, gunmen killed a 6th aid worker in Peshawar. A short time later, a 7th worker and her driver were shot to death in a city just north of Peshawar. All of the victims were going from house to house offering free vaccines as part of a campaign to protect hundreds of thousands of children from the crippling effects of polio. Pakistan is one of only 3 countries that has yet to eradicate polio. No one has claimed responsibility for what appears to be a coordinated killing spree, but police suspect anti-Western militant groups that have long called such vaccination campaigns foreign spy plots. Their suspicions growing after last year's raid on the bin Laden compound and reports that the CIA hired Pakistani Dr. Shakil Afridi to be part of a fake vaccination campaign to find bin Laden. The doctor went to jail. Aid groups said his arrest and the headlines that followed hurt the polio eradication efforts. Many conservative Pakistanis, already reluctant to let strangers in their homes, were now afraid that aid workers could be foreign spies.
So that is one of the reasons we are having a large number of missed children. In spite of our repeated efforts, we are still having the missed children.
Despite those challenges, aid groups pressed ahead, vaccinating tens of thousands of children. Officials say the number of polio cases dropped to 56 this year, compared to 173 during the same period last year. But this week's string of deadly attacks suddenly has the polio eradication campaign on hold and Pakistan's fight against the crippling disease in jeopardy. Here's what adds to the frustration. By late Wednesday night local time, Pakistani police had yet to make an arrest, and unfortunately that's consistent with what we often see here in Pakistan. Assassinations, attacks, followed by a security apparatus that doesn't seem to be able to make enough big arrests and prosecutions to show the people, here's who did it, and here's what we're doing to stop them.